points R with coordinates 3, 4, and O with coordinates 1, -1 are opposite vertices of square RIOT. Determine the coordinates of I and T. Okay, so first thing to do is, of course, we have to plot it. Okay, suppose this is O, coordinates nito 1, -1. And then, let's say R, banda rito yan, suppose R, coordinates 3, 4. There you go. Okay, so then drawing tayo ng square, not necessary, ayan, horizontal, ayan. Suppose ito yan, so RIOT. Okay, so I have to get the midpoint of RO, okay, so midpoint yan, 3 plus 1 divided by 2, so that will be 2, let's say, ano na lang to, P, coordinates niyan, 2, okay, 4 minus 1, 3 divided by 2, so that's 3 halves. See that? So, midpoint niya is 2, 3 halves. Okay, so my point here is, we can say, ito, diba, the midpoint of the diagonal of the square bisect each other. So, meaning, ito, equal dito. Tama? And also, we can say that TO is equal to TR. Okay, so, ayusin muna natin. So, unahin natin yung TO equals TR. Okay, so, since TO equals TR, okay, so, set up natin. Let's say, coordinates nito, XY. So, that will be square root of x minus 1 to be squared plus y plus 1 to be squared. You get it? Equals TR. So, that will be x minus 3 to be squared plus y minus 4 to be squared. There you go. Squaring both sides and then expanding the binomial, so I'm going to have x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus y squared plus 2y plus 1 equals x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus y squared minus 8y plus 16. Okay, cancelling x squared and y squared. Okay, cancel yan as well as y squared. Right? So, what will be left here is negative 6x to mapupunta dito. So, that will be 4x. See that? So, that will become 4x. Then, cy is negative 8y. This is 2y. So, this one will become positive 10y. See that? And lastly, yung constant, I have 25 on the right side. I have 2 here, so that will be 23. And it's either we solve in terms of x or in terms of y. So in this case, what I'm going to do is solve it in terms of x. So that will be 10y over 4 plus 23 over 4. Okay? So now, standby lang natin. So wala pa tayong magagawa from here. Okay, I'm done with TO equals TR. So this time, I'm going to utilize, okay, yung another relation that TP is equal to PR. Okay. See that? Again, TP is equal to PR. There you go. So that is x minus 2 plus y minus 3 halves squared equals, okay, this one is, okay, of course, makakancel na yung square root mamaya. Okay, sige, lagyan na natin. So, that will be 3 minus 1 squared, 3 minus 2 squared, so that will be 1, plus 4 minus 3 halves, so that will be, ano yan, 5 over 2 squared, so that will be 25 over 4. Right? Now, squaring both sides, so then, combining like terms, so I'm going to have x minus 2 to be squared, okay, plus y minus 3 halves to be squared equals 29 over 4. Alright, so this will be my second equation. So since looking at equation number 1 here, pwede ko i-substitute yung itong equation na to. I mean, itong negative 10y over 4 plus 23 over 4 in place of x. So that it will only leave us equation in y. You get it? So that will be simplify ko na, no? Negative 5 over 2 yan. So negative 5 over 2x. Okay? Plus 23 over 4. Yan yung x minus 2. So that will be 23 minus 8 over 4 or 15 over 4. Diretsuin ko na, guys. So this is 15 over 4. Did you get it? Squared. Okay. Plus y minus 3 over 2 squared equals 29 over 4. There you go. Okay. So, I can factor out negative 5 halves. Okay? Factor out kay negative 5 halves. So, that will be x minus 3 halves. Oh, y pala to, sorry. So, y na to. So, sorry about that. So, this... Wait. Okay, squared. Plus y minus 3 halves squared. Okay. So, yun na. Squaring this one, so this one will become 25 over 4. Okay. This is y minus 3 halves to be squared. Plus minus 3 halves to be squared equals 29 over 4. Now, this is 25. Look, parehas silang y minus 3 halves to be squared. So, therefore, I can combine 25 over 4 and 1. That will be 29 over 4. Alright? So, 29 over 4 y minus 3 halves to be squared equals 29 over 4. And eventually, maka-cancel yan. Diba? Maka-cancel yan. So, that will become 1.
Kaya kanina nilalamig ng sobra.
Okay, break ko na to. Wait lang. Okay, that will become 4y. Okay, then this one will become 1. There you go. Then extracting the square root, so I'm going to have y minus 3 halves equals plus minus 1. So therefore, there are two values of y here. So lagay ko na lang dito. 1 plus 3 halves, that is 5 halves. Okay, the other one, negative 1 plus 3 halves. Ilan yun? Negative 1 plus 3 halves. So that will become 1 half. Right? There you go. 1 half. So therefore, so since we're after Puerto coordinates, so, yun na. So, okay lalagay. Wala na ako space. Dito na lang. Wait lang. So, let's do it this way na lang. Sorry about that. So, since wala akong space, yan. Dalawa yon. So, nakita natin kanina, 5 halves and 1 half. Tama? Negative 1 half plus 3 halves. Yeah, 1 half. There you go. Yun na. So, substitute either of, saan ba natin pwede substitute? I guess, no choice kundi dito. Diba? So, we need another space here. Sige, carry lang. Alright, so let me rewrite it. So, yung x is equal to negative 5 over 2 y plus 23 over 4. Okay, so x equals negative 5 over 2. Since dalawa yung value ng y, ayan. So, yung nakuha natin value ng y ay 5 halves and 1 half. So, I'll put 5 halves here. I'll put 1 half here. So, there you go. So, this is negative 25 over 4 plus 23 over 4. So, that will be negative 2 over 4 or negative 1 half. Did you get it? Again, negative 2 over 4. So, negative 1 half. So, therefore, negative 1 half yan. So, one coordinate is negative 1 half, 5 halves. And lastly, So this one will become negative 5 over 4 plus 23 over 4. So that will be 18 over 4 or 18 over 4. Ilan yun? 9 halves. Tama? 9 halves. So there you go. So the second coordinate here is 9 over 2. So therefore, the coordinates of t and I are negative 1 half, 5 halves, and 9 halves, 1 half. Okay? Good.